So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss with you the role for Tron Associate in Amazon. So for this role, freshers as well as experienced person can apply, and in this video we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, job description, how you can apply for this role, and the interview related questions and answers that are asked for this particular job role. So friends, be there in the video till the end so that you can completely understand about this particular process. And if you have landed new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is the eligibility criteria. So friends, for this role you can be a graduate in any stream. You need to have good communication skills, especially in writing, and you need to have an eye for detail and problem solving and analytical skills. So friends, next we will look at the job description. It is very important to understand this role's job description. So a Tron associate is required to watch the video of the stowing activity in a fulfillment center, understand it thoroughly, and make best use of the human judgment and available resources to indicate the activity captured in the video. They are expected to verify or mark the location of product through a tool while maintaining highest level of accuracy. This process helps in maintaining stock quality at the fulfillment center. So friends, I will strongly suggest you to watch a particular video in the Amazon fulfillment center where this process has been shown. I have given the link in the description box. First watch this video completely and then go to the description where I have given the link for this video. Then you will be able to understand what I am talking about. And just to briefly explain you, see, in Amazon fulfillment centers there are robots who do the stowing work. Stowing means arranging the products in a particular manner. So 95% of the work is done by the robots, but there are around 5% work which is not done by them because they are not able to locate certain products because they are not programmed as per the AI or the machine learning. So that is why they are not able to do all the work, but 95% is done by them. That 5% which is remaining, where they are not able to locate the product accurately, there the role of Tron associate comes in. So you just watch that video and then you will be able to understand. Regarding the interview rounds, the round 1 will be English grammar test, which consists of 30 multiple choice questions. I have already made a video on that, so link has been given in the description box. Watch that video and you will understand. Next will be the Versant written round. So regarding the Versant written round also, I have made a video for all the parts related to Versant written round. So that is also given in the description. Round 3 will be Watson Glacier. So now Watson Glacier has also been added for this particular role. Earlier it was not there. So you can watch that video where I have solved all the type of questions in Watson Glacier test in a video. And next will be the manager round or the HR round. It will be a mixed round. In the manager round, they will ask you role based and analytical questions, and in the HR round they will ask you about yourself, your work experience or your education. So we will cover all this question in this video. So regarding one month thing, regarding the salary, it is between 2 to 3.5 lakhs per annum, and it will be a work from home currently, but later you may have to relocate to Bangalore or Hyderabad. Again, the link has been given in the description box for both these locations. You can go to the link and apply. Now we move on to the kind of questions that are asked in managerial round. So since the managerial round, they will ask you role based questions. So first they will ask you, what do you expect your typical workday to be like? So it is very important. That is why I told you to watch that video so that you can understand your work, because this question will definitely be asked because many people don't even understand what this role is about. So read job description to understand, watch that video. When you are speaking about it, be enthusiastic to show that you are genuinely interested in the role and not just applying for salary. So a sample answer could be, I expect to be busy and have my hands full most of the day. I will have to look at stowing videos of Amazon fulfillment centers to mark the location of the product that the robots are unable to detect with the help of a tool or software provided by Amazon. So you will be given a software through which you can do that. That Amazon will explain you once you get hired. I will also have to ensure that the store quality is maintained at fulfillment centers and any exceptions or variances are escalated to the higher management. So you have explained that you know the job description. Now next they can ask you a figure related question. This is because you will have to watch videos and locate where the product is, so they need to know that you have an eye for detail and you can solve a tricky question like this where they will ask you to count the number of triangles in a figure. So they want to check how about your eye for detail. So I will tell you how to solve this question. So a tip to solve this question will be count the number of triangles but divide the figure into number of levels. So as you can see there are four levels here, 1 2 3 and 4. So first divide the figure into four levels and then count the small triangles in each level. So as an example I will show you. Now you can just divide it and there is the first level. So in the first level the number of triangle is only one, ABL. Next you can look at the second level. So at that time you need to hide the first level and the third and fourth level. So in this level you can see there are three triangles, 1 2 and 3. So that is how you can count them. I have written the name of these, BCM, BML. Next you will go to the third level. In the third level you can count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in the third level there are five triangles. And similarly you will go to the fourth level, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in the fourth level there are seven triangles. So now you have counted all the small triangles. Now we will go on to the bigger triangles. For that you will have to divide it into two levels. So first you will do first and second level. In the first and second level you can see there is one bigger triangle. So one triangle is there in 1 plus 2. Then you will do the second level which is 2 plus 3. So in 2 plus 3 the bigger number of triangles are 2. One is this one and the other is this one. So two triangles in this one. Similarly you will go to the next one, third plus fourth. So in the third plus fourth you can count again the bigger triangles, 1 2 3 and 4. So there are four bigger triangles. Next you will further divide into 1 plus 2 plus 3 now. Now in 1 plus 2 plus 3 you have to count the bigger triangles from one level to third level, because 1 plus 2 you have already calculated. So in that only one triangle is there. Then similar to 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 4. So in 2 plus 3 plus 4 you can see that there are two bigger triangles. One is this one and the other is this one. And then 1 plus 2 plus 3 for plus 4, the last level containing all that. So there is one bigger triangle only. And then you will count all the triangles that you have calculated, so the sum will come out to be 27. So that way you can solve this tricky question which will most likely be asked with you, or a similar question like that where you will have to count such figures. So they will check your eye for detail in this one. So be prepared for this one, and in case you have any doubt you can ask in the comments box. Next, if you clear this round, you will move on to the HR round. So HR round, they can ask you to introduce yourself first. So you can talk about your family background, where you come from, your education background, your work experience, and your interests and hobbies. Next, they can ask you, are you willing to work on weekends and night shifts? Because here sometimes you have to work on night shifts and weekends. So here you can say, I do not have any problem working at night and on weekends if it is required by company. This is because I enjoy doing my work, so nights and weekends don't make a difference to me. Apart from that, I am adaptable to changing environments, so I will be able to adjust my sleep cycle quickly. So here you have shown you have no issues in that. Next, they can ask you why this particular role. So you have to here highlight strengths that you have related to this role and back it up with a real life example if you have demonstrated those strengths. So some of the strengths related to this role that can be useful are patience, because you will have to watch the videos all the time and locate the errors, so you need to be patient. Perseverance, which means keep doing something in spite of obstacles. So you may not be able to find certain things, but since you are persevere, you can do that, so you should have that strength also. You are detail oriented, which is again required for this, and you need to have critical thinking or analytical skills, which is mentioned in the job description. Next, they can ask you why Amazon. So this I have covered many times. You can talk about the good work culture, employee well-being, strong brand name, and good learning opportunities in terms of trainings and workshops that are there in Amazon. Next, they can ask you why should we hire you for this role. So for this, I have already made a very big video which you can check, and then you will be able to answer this question pretty well, which is quite important and usually asked for this role. Next, they can ask you about your problem solving skills, because here you will have to need to have good problem solving skills. So when you are faced with a problem, what do you do? So employers typically ask this question to understand what your problem solving process looks like. They are looking for you to describe a logical problem solving process that includes gathering information, analyzing the information, and making decisions based on what we have found. So a typical answer for this could be, when I am faced with a problem, I typically start by doing research or looking at examples of how this problem has been solved by others. So from that research, I am able to decide which approach to solving the problem works best for me and the organization. Then I decide what actions need to be taken to solve the problem, and I start putting the process into motion while communicating with my managers and co-workers. So by this way, you can handle this question. Now I will just show you how you can apply for this role. So I have given the link in the description box. For Hyderabad location, there is a website name as Visby where this position has been floated. So there you can just go and read the full job description and go to apply now, and then you can directly sign it with your Google account. So sorry, due to internet I couldn't show you, but when you will do apply now, it will redirect you to sign in through your Gmail account, so you can do that easily. And for regarding the Bangalore location, it is directly there on Amazon's website. So again, the link has been given there, so you can go there, read the full job description, and just apply now with your Amazon account. So by this way, you will be able to apply for these two locations. So friends, this was about this particular video, and if this has been useful to you in any way, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more such videos in future, and I'll meet you in the next